Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, January the 13th, 2026. So, after three corrective sessions, KSE 100 stabilizes and rebounds, absorbing profit taking and keeping the broader trend firmly intact. Let's take a closer look. All right, so this is where we are, a 1567.36 point jump for the day. Interestingly, these past few days have been a textbook lesson in Japanese candlestick analysis. Three white soldiers, big move up, bearish engulfing, evening star of sorts, three black crows, and now a hammer. It's usually effective after a sustained downturn, but since this was a pullback after a steep move up, this and three black soldiers can be taken as a sharp move down. So this is possibly a short-term reversal signal. Now let's take a look at our indicators. Comes just in time because as we've been warning for the last few days, the market did finally drop below the 10-day exponential moving average today. It provided support, of course, moving back up. So tomorrow will be very interesting. Other than that, market still firmly bullish, above all EMAs in bullish stack. Once again, the volume is below average. We're returning to the trend of the past few weeks, barring these few days. Momentum still elevated, RSI at 7190 and overbought, but currently sitting below its own average. So this is also the momentum has plateaued. MACD tells a similar story. Bullish spread remains wide, but the histogram continues to shrink. But the broader trend, ADX tells you at 42.27 is firmly intact. So our verdict for the day would be uptrend remains firmly dominant. Today's dip was bought and the index closed strong. See, this came down first and then went up. But RSI is still overbought and volume below average. Expect volatility and pullbacks even as the broader bias stays up. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Stay tuned.